Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel School Studies. You will get daily one video related to different topic or subject which will help you to understand or learn more. In this channel you will get videos related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. Today we will see a video related to science subject. In that today's topic is NCERT Solutions for Class 7 Science Chapter 11 Transportation in Animals and Plants. Before starting with the chapter, let's revise what we have learned in the chapter. So let's do the summary first. In most animals, the blood that circulates in the body distributes food and oxygen to different cells of the body. It also carries waste products to different parts of the body for excretion. Circulatory system consists of heart and blood vessels. In humans, blood flows through arteries and veins and the heart acts as a pumping organ. Blood consists of plasma, RBC, WBC and platelets. Blood is red due to the presence of red pigment hemoglobin. The human heart beats about 70 to 80 times per minute in an adult person. This is called heart rate. Arteries carry blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. Veins carry blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. Removal of waste products from the body is called excretion. Excretory system of humans consists of two kidneys, two ureteri, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Salts and urine are removed along with water as sweat. Fish excrete waste substances such as ammonia which directly dissolve in water. Birds, insects and lizards excrete uric acid in semi-solid form. Water and mineral nutrients are absorbed by roots from the soil. Nutrients are transported along with water to the entire plant via the vascular tissue called xylem. The vascular tissue for the transport of food to the various parts of the plant is phloem. A lot of water is lost by plants in the form of vapor through stomata during transpiration. Transpiration generates a force which pulls up water absorbed by the roots from the soil to reach the stem and leaves. So this was the summary of the chapter, what we have learned in the chapter. Now let's do the exercise of the textbook. The first question is match structures given in the column 1 with functions given in the column 2. So column 1 are stomata, xylem, root hairs, phloem. Column 2, absorption of water, transpiration, transport of food, transport of water, synthesis of carbohydrates. So let's see the answer. Stomata is the transpiration, xylem, transport of water, root hairs, absorption of water, phloem, transport of food. Question 2 is fill in the blanks. And that first one is the blood from the heart is transported to all parts of the body by the arteries. The hemoglobin is present in dash cells, red blood cells. Arteries and veins are joined by a network of capillaries. The rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called heartbeat. The main excretory product in human beings is urea. Sweat contains water and salts. Kidneys eliminate the waste materials in the liquid form called urine. Water reaches great heights in the trees because of the suction pull caused by transpiration. Now, question 3 is choose the correct option. In plants, water is transported through. The right answer is exem. Second, water absorption through roots can be increased by keeping the plants. The right answer is in dim light. Question 4. Why is transport of materials necessary in a plant or in an animal? Explain. So the answer is transport of material is essential for plants or animals because nutrients and oxygens are made available to all the parts of the body through transpiration. If the transport of necessary nutrients and oxygen does not take place in the body will not be able to survive. Question 5. What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? Blood cannot clot without the platelets. So, if there is an cut, blood will continue to flow out and ultimately the person die. Sixth question. What are stomata? Give two functions of stomata. So, answer is small pores in leaves of plant are called stomata. Functions of stomata are absorption of oxygen from air, removal of excess water by transpiration. Question 7. Does transpiration serve any useful function in the plants? Explain. Due to the transpiration, a suction pressure develops which helps in transpiration of water. Question 8. What are the components of blood? So the answer is red blood cell, white blood cells, platelets and plasma. Why is blood needed by all the parts of our body? So blood carries digested food and oxygen to all parts of the body. It also carries away the waste products. What makes the blood look red? So the blood look red because of the presence of hemoglobin. Describe the function of heart. Heart collects and distributes purified blood to all parts of the body through arteries. Why is it necessary to excrete waste products? Waste products are harmful for the body. Draw a diagram of the human excretory system and label the various parts. So this is the diagram of human excretory system with the label. So this was the solution of textbook exercise. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.